People like this have been using ChatGPT the wrong way. Now, as a 6-year Navy vet and AI strategist, this is one of the most powerful technologies I've ever come across, and I'm going to show you how to use it the right way. Now, feel free to pause this video if you need to save the prompt, but essentially, you can get ChatGPT to be your own tutor in anything. So with this prompt that we've generated, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me advice and ask me questions back and forth to determine my knowledge and understanding of a specific topic. And as you can see, this is one of the most advanced prompts in the game. While people are making jokes and using it for laugh, for work, you can use this technology to learn anything you want. Prepare you for anything. There's literally no excuse in this day and age, so I highly advise that you take advantage of ChatGPT and this technology, because it's only going to get more and more crazy from here. Be sure to follow and check out my page if you want more gems on how to leverage this technology, and if you want to work one-on-one with me to learn how you can use this technology to get ahead, be sure to book a consultation, link in description.